Hi, my name is Alex Choi, and I am the creator and developer of BrainSmart. The purpose of BrainSmart is to be able to self-diagnose cognitive impairment through memory, reaction time, mental calculations, and language. The app is intended for those who want a quick check on their mental cognitive health. This app is especially helpful for elderly people who are at a higher risk by exposing themselves due to the circumstances. I taught myself Swift, which is the coding language used to create the app, and I use Xcode, an app developing software. Here is a demo of the app. The first part is visual memory. The user must memorize these 5 images. Now the user must choose the 5 previous images. Each correct image adds 1 point to your score. You're able to select and deselect the images. Next up is mental calculations. The user must enter in their answers. This section tests reaction time. The user is given 1 practice trial in order to understand how the system works. A red dot will randomly appear in 1 to 3 seconds, and the user must tap the red button as fast as they can in order to assess their reaction time. Next is verbal memory. Similar to the visual memory, the user must memorize these 6 words. Now the user must choose the 6 previous images. You're still able to select and deselect the images as well. Finally, the last section is the language section. The user is required to list as many words that start with S as he or she can in 1 minute and 15 seconds. As demonstrated, words cannot be repeated, and this part of the demonstration has been purposely sped up. Words that include numbers will not be accepted. Words that do not start with S will also not be accepted. Finally, this will calculate results based on the data acquired. Each task that is done correctly results in points. There is a total of 18 points. If the user scores at least 13 points, the user has no major cognitive impairment. If the user scores between 7 and 13 points, the user has mild cognitive impairment. However, if the user scores below 7 points, the user has severe cognitive impairment. This is used as a quick assessment on your cognitive abilities. Thank you for your time and consideration.